Good morning, everybody. Melissa here. I am presenting my design team project for January for Sherri Czmyr at Studio28E. And the kit I chose was Emma. I made a small pouch for it. It is a paper bag, and I lined it with Tyvek and material. And a doily on top. It is a small journal, a little pocket journal. And the closure is just a piece of light blue elastic with a flower. Slips on and off. Got that idea from Sherri, something she had sent me. There's a little dangle on here. I didn't use any tea-dyed paper or anything. Everything in here is the kit. And the front cover, I did coat the front cover so it is protected. And the pages are back to back. And again, everything in here is the kit. The embellishments, the pockets, tags, journaling cards. Oops. All right, there we go. And the kit is really pretty. It's soft and elegant. Just a little tuck spot. One of the tags. Just backed with another one of the tags. And this was one of the pages folded down for journaling spot. And small, very small tuck spot and a tag. And colors are blues and greens, creams, this rosy color, red. Glassine bag, one of the covers cut down for a journaling spot. And there's some area for writing. Altered paper clip. Slides over there with a small heart dangle. And this is one of the pockets, printed out really small. One of the labels, piece of the doily, and one of the journaling cards. And that just tucks in there. And again, one of the journaling cards, did a little bit of collage there. This was an envelope and it sprayed with like a brown glimmer mist. This is one of the pieces of ephemera and one of the doilies backed with itself. And another one of the pages cut down for a journaling spot. Let's see, belly band. Quite a few little places for journaling. Oops, sorry. That just tucks in there. And center signature. One of the embellishment doilies and one of the ladies collaged. This is one of the embellishments cut in half. And then here is a flip out. Well, I'm not really sure what that's called. And a small pocket. And one of the pieces of ephemera cut down. I cut off the ends to make the circle and use the tuck spot. One of the journaling cards. And this is a little flip up. The butterfly was part of the kit. It just tucks in there. And then this was a little piece of that envelope sprayed with that glimmer mist. And here's a small tuck spot. And it opens out. And in here is a small journaling card. There we go. The kit really is gorgeous. And a small pocket, another one of the embellishments, collaged journaling card, and one of the pages cut down into a journaling spot. And that's just a little flip out. And a little collage pocket. Another one of the pages, one of the covers. That tucks in there, and that is the end of the tiny little book. I do hope you enjoyed the little flip through. If you did, please like my channel, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I hope everyone has a wonderful day today. There you go. Thank you for watching.